I want to continue our lesson in chapter 1, unit 1 and related to subject. This is good sharing ណាថ្ងៃនេះគឺមានការបន្តមេរៀនពីថ្ងៃមុន chapter 1 ដដែល unit 1 ហើយនេះជាការចែកលេខមួយដ៏ល្អចែកលេខបន្តគឺពាក្យប៉ុនទៅនឹង subject តែមុនយើងបន្តយើងរំលឹកមុខជាខ្លះៗដែលយើងរៀនថ្ងៃមុនណាអូខេអញ្ចឹង subject មានន័យថាមុខវិជ្ជា math វិទ្យាខ្មែរសាស្ត្រខ្មែរ history ប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រ PE អប់រំកាយ physics រូបវិទ្យា geography ភូមិវិទ្យា English ភាសាអង់គ្លេស very good បាទអរណាស់អញ្ចឹងយើងបន្តមុខជាថ្មីនេះនេះមុខជាដែលយើងត្រូវបន្តទៀតណាអញ្ចឹង subject ដដែលទេ biology ជីវវិទ្យា agriculture កសិកម្ម computer chemistry គីមី art សិល្បៈ okay. What is your favorite subjects? My favorite subject is biology. Good. Biology. Yeah. Your favorite subject is biology. What subject are you good at? I'm good at English. Good. You like English? Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. I am good at English. Okay អញ្ចឹងយើងបានឆ្លើយនឹងសំណួរ2 What is your favorite subject ហើយនឹងសំណួរទី2 What subject are you good at អញ្ចឹងសូមបន្តទៅប្រធានបទតូចមួយទៀតគឺគេដាក់ថា introducing yourself ចេះអត់មានន័យថាម៉េចនេះមានការណែនាំខ្លួនណាអញ្ចឹងយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមបំពេញព័ត៌មានឲ្យគ្រូ My name is Lipia. My name is Lipia. Lipia is correct. I'm a student in grade 8. Grade 8. Grade 8. A or B? A. Okay. I'm from Cambodia. From Cambodia? Where Cambodia? From Ombel? From Ombel? Yeah. Okay. Ombel. Yeah, from Ombel village. No. Village. Ombel village. I'm 13 years old. I'm 13 years old. I'm a good student. My favorite subjects are biology and English. Yeah, and English. Yeah, good. I'm good at English. Yeah. Good at English. My favorite sport are tennis and football. Tennis and football. Oh, good. I'm good at football. Good at football. I like English, but I don't like math. I can speak English a little. I like my English teacher too. Can you read for me again? So you can start. My name is Lipia. I'm a student in grade 8. I'm from Ombel village. I'm 13 years old. I'm a good student. My favorite subjects are biology and English. I'm good at English. My favorite sports are tennis and football. I'm good at football. I like English, but I don't like math. I can speak English a little. I like my English teacher too. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, see you next time. ចឹងជួបគ្នាតាមពេលក្រោយទៀតណាអរគុណ Thank you